tayo here. So I'm here with my cousins, guys. We're doing some Christmas shopping. Ayun, Gabriel. He's my cousin.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Gmall. Hindi kami
What are you
kasi hindi
saying?
kami taga dito.
So we're doing a Christmas shopping vlog. It's kind of a bit shocking that we're here. I'm here. I expected it to be more of a like last, yeah. busy trying to find clothes. Yeah.
Mabiling yung dahil.
Huwag pa kayo yung vlogger diri. So I'm with Ate Tinang right now, trying to find our cousins. I don't know where they are. Kuya ni si English eh.
We can find our cousin.
Yeah, we're trying to find our cousins for about 5 minutes already, or I think it wasn't 5 minutes.
Because I don't know really if it's so low kitchen line.
Oh, there's a mirror. I wanna go to the mirror. I wanna say hi. Doing a drip test.
Girl.
Hey guys, hey to the vlog.
Sige, hi guys. Uy, ganyan lagi nagsabot ng video. Second floor, hi vlog.
Oh my god, they are there. So we finally found
A $1 million question. We rarely see these here. Only one of the contestants ever won $500,000 on our show. So if you're ready, let's go for the million. Which of these
is used to complete the sentence.
fit?
Finally found.
literally didn't see us. Oh, diba? What are they doing?
How much is that?
This is also my cousins. It's Dave and yeah. Ay, there's yung kulo. We're trying to find our other cousin. Yeah, so we found them. He found them. Oh, di ba? Pwede kayo mag-flagger. Kanam kayo yung buy one take one. Sa pen shop na lang di mo pangita. Niyasa mo di mo. Pwede ba din na ninyo madala? Labas. Pwede ba din na ninyo madala? Labas. Pwede ba din na ninyo madala? Labas. I have to adjust this camera. Hi guys. Baby.